writing rhythms and introducing a new concept, Thai, and how it's used in Obwisana. We're going to learn the song Obwisana. This song is from Ghana in Africa. Listen, I'm going to sing it first. Obwisana sana na obwisana sa. 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 Now be my echo. My turn, your turn. Obwisana sana na. Obwisana sa. Obwisana sana na. Obwisana sa. Good. Echo me one more time. My turn, your turn. Ready, sing. Obwisana sana na. Obwisana sa. Obwisana sana na. Obwisana sa. Now let's sing it all together one time. Choose an instrument and let's tap the beat as we sing the song. 1, 2, ready, sing. Obwisana sana na obwisana sa. Obwisana sana na obwisana sa. Great job. You'll notice at the bottom of the screen, you see the translation of what we are saying. It says, "Oh, Grandma, I just hurt my finger on a rock." I think the Ghana version sounds a lot nicer with the words, don't you? For the next part of our activity, I need you to go get a piece of paper. Press pause now to get one. We're going to take our paper and we're going to begin by folding it in half. So a single fold in half, corner to corner. After you have folded it once, you're going to fold it a second time, corner to corner, to form a second fold, a rectangle this size. Then lastly, a third fold, again, so that it looks like a small rectangle. When you open your paper, it should have a total of 8 squares on your page. So you should have 8 squares on your page, and we are going to be using this top row first to write our rhythms for Obwisana. So we're going to be starting right here with square number 1. We are going to begin by tapping the beat of Obwisana. Remember that the beat stays the same. These 8 heartbeats that you see on your screen represent the 8 squares you have on your paper. So let's tap each square as we sing. Place your finger on the first square of your paper and we're tapping the beat. Here we go. Obwisana sa na na obwisana sa. That's the first 8 beats of the song Obwisana. Let's tap one more time. 1, 2, tap the beat. Obwisana sa na na obwisana sa. Now we are going to take a look at heartbeat number 1, which is the first square on your paper. How many sounds do you hear in heartbeat number 1? Obwi, obwi. Yes, you should have 2 sounds in the first heartbeat. So will you take a pencil and draw 2 lines inside box number 1? Now let's listen to the second heartbeat. It starts from the beginning, Obwisana. So the second heartbeat is sana. How many sounds is that? Sana. 2 sounds again, right. In the second box, please draw 2 lines. 2 lines inside box number 2. Now we're going to listen to the third beat and we're going to stop there. Let's see how many sounds are in the third box. Obwisana, sa, sa. How many sounds is that? 1 sound. Very good. In box number 3, please draw a single line for sa. Now let's do the last box. Ready? Here we go. Obwisana, sa, na, na. Na, na. How many sounds are in box number 4? Na, na. 2 sounds. So please draw 2 lines in box number 4. All right, now take your finger and point to your paper. We are now going to check to make sure we have written the correct number of lines in each box. So here we go. Box number 1, you should have 2 lines. Box number 2, you should have 2 lines. Box number 3, you should have a single line. And box number 4, you should have 2 lines. So let's tap it. T, 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 ta, T, T. So looking at your paper thus far, this is what it should look like. And make sure that you are connecting your TTs together on the top. T, 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 ta, T, T. Continuing on, we're now going to take a look at line number 2, starting right here. Let's look at the next group of hearts now, starting here. Obwisana sa. Obwisana sa. How many sounds do you hear in this first heartbeat? Obwi. Obwi. Very good. 2 sounds. Draw 2 lines in square number 1. Obwisana. How many sounds do you hear in the second heart? Sana. Good. Again, 2 sounds. Draw 2 lines in box number 2. Now let's start again from this first heart. Obwisana sa. How many sounds do you hear on the third heart? Sa. 1 sound. Good. But you'll notice that 1 sound is really long. So for right now, will you just draw 1 sound in box number 3? 1 line in box number 3. Now let's talk about that last part right here, okay? That sound was more than 1 beat, right? That last sound, Obwisana sa. You feel it takes up both hearts. It takes up both heartbeats. So what are we going to put there? Well, we are going to add a tie because we have a sound that takes up 2 heartbeats, okay? So will you please add another line on the 4th box, add a ta in box number 4. And then we're going to draw a line. This smiley face right here is going to connect the 2 tas together. A tie means to hold the sound for the value of both notes or both hearts, okay? So we're holding it for a total of 2 heartbeats, even though it sounds like only 1 note. Now, a tie can be used to join any 2 notes, not just a ta, ta. But for today, we're joining ta plus ta, and that means 2 beats long, okay? We're going to hold it for 2. When we say the rhythm and they're joined together like this, we say ta, and we hold it for the 2 counts. We don't say ta, 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 So now let's take a look at the entire rhythm. We just drew the notes for this first line. Let's clap and say it. 1, 2, ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta. And let's go ahead and do the second line because you'll notice it's exactly the same. Ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta. Your finished product should look like this. So let's clap and say it all together. Point to your paper and your rhythm. Ready, go. Ti, 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 ta, ti, 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 ta. Again, make sure that you have your tie connecting the two tas together. And make sure that you have connected all of your TTs at the top. Now, will you get an instrument and let's sing the song all together one time? I'm going to do scrapers. You can tap, shake, or scrape. It is entirely up to you. All right, here we go. Ready, sing. Obwisana sa na na, obwisana sa. Obwisana sa na na, obwisana sa. Now let's clap the way the words go, the rhythm. Set your instrument down. Ready, clap the words and go. Obwisana sa na na, obwisana sa. Obwisana sa na na, obwisana sa. Excellent job. Now you're going to take this paper rhythm and you are going to upload a picture of it into Schoology as your exit ticket for completing this activity.